Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I have here a haul. Actually, this is my first official haul of 2019, but this one, I guess not to say but this is from PerriAnnsArtsNthings. I did order this after 2019 started, so I want to show you what I did get. And for those of you who don't know that shop, this is PerriAnn on Etsy. They have a lot of stuff that Tuesday Morning has, and roughly around the same prices. So if it's something that you see like my Tuesday Morning haul that you really like, check out their website. I know over $100 they usually always have free shipping, but sometimes they have other sales, and they have really good clearance items as well. So like for all of this, I don't even think, I mean, it wasn't bad at all. So everything here was on clearance, and then they always give you a little goodie. So the goodie set she sent was these transfers, which you see right now are all in all the TMs right now, Tuesday mornings. It works on most surfaces. And also Bo Bunny. These are chipboard stickers. So usually there's always a gift thrown in there. So let's just jump right in. So I did pick a few creative expression dies, which I've never owned before. And these were, I thought they were a little bit bigger. Like this one is really smaller than I anticipated. Yeah, I think that was like $3. So I probably wouldn't have got that if I had known it was that small. I wouldn't have got it. But it says many expressions miss you. Still, you know, nice, but I wouldn't have got it. This one says best wishes, and I liked it because it was connected. It was one die. That's a decent size. And this says with sympathy, and I like the font on it as well. Nice size. And then I also got this one. You know, it's always nice to have some cute little vintage doilies, and this of course is by Crafter's Companion. So this is with the Tea Party. This is the Tea Party is the set you see right now with the purple label, Crafter Companions. That's in TM right now. You'll see a lot of this stuff right now, and this I think was like $6, I think. So that was like the most expensive thing, or this was $6, one of those. That might have been $4.99, and this might have been $6, I think. But anyway, this is it says terrific sentiments. Terrific, there's always time for tea, and you're just my cup of tea. So I thought it was cute little sentiments, and again, that's Crafter Companion, and that goes along with those the tea and the pictures that you've seen in Tuesday Morning. And then the last dies, I know this is $3, so maybe these was $2. I can't remember. $1.80. Maybe that's, I don't know. I can't remember. Because this was $3, I think, and 59¢. This is Elizabeth Craft Designs. It says sending hugs and kisses. And these are nice size, as you can see. Like 3 inches long, and again, that's nice. The scripty loop the script, so I thought they were cute. And this is a Recollections doily. You would have seen it in Michael's for $10, and I know it was, I think, probably $4. That's what I think I got it for, maybe $3.99, because I know this was $3.99. This fruit set. And then I just really was picking up some of these, and these were, I think, $1.80 each when I got them. So very affordable. I mean, the regular price is only like $2.79 anyway, I think. So still very reasonable. $3 still, you know, if you're trying to get some of your Gorjuss girl stamps up, it's still affordable. But I think I paid half of that. I think it was $1.80. So this is number 38. The Runaway. So she's up on a horse, and this is a duplicate that I already own, so I'm sure that this will be later on a giveaway. This is Fly Away With Me, number 45. I made a mistake and ordered that one. I don't know how I did that, because I thought I was checking my numbers. Number 46, Rainbow Dreams. I like that she's painting. And this one is 54, Sweetheart. I like her hair up like that. And this one is number 6. I found my family in a book. Interesting sentiment, right? And then this one is number 60, Let Down. And this is number 9, I Gave You My Heart. Sorry about the glare, they're still in the package. And this is 59, Flying Above It All. And this is 44, Free as a Bird. Bent up on the tip. And then lastly, but not least, is number 28, Toadstools. So I got this because I am in the Gorjuss Girl collab with Jamie here in the YT. The Gorjuss Girl and Pure. So it's Gorjuss and Pure Girl collab. And we were posting the second Thursday every month. So come along and see what I make with these. And you can also do a VR response. We are doing theme challenges, but you will hit the theme, and then once you hit the theme, you can use your Gorjuss Girls or Pure Innocent stamps and play along. Or if you don't have those, you can use any stamp that you have. Or you can go on Google and print out some of the ones that they may have up there for you to print out and play along and do a VR for us. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And if you want any of these items or others, you know, go check them out. They have a lot of Tim Holtz. They have a lot of Jane Davenport. A lot of different groups of stuff, spellbinders. So a lot of the stuff, they kind of trend the same time as Tuesday morning does. So some of the influx of Tuesday morning stuff is usually in there around the same time, but they have limited quantities. So they let you know how many is in the cart, first come, first serve. I don't work for them, but that's just my order I got from them. So again, check them out. So if you're in a hunt for things, that's a good place to go. I go there sometimes when I'm looking for something that I can't find on Tuesday morning. Alright, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.